Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the topic geometric progression. Geometric progression. So first see the definition. If every number is obtained by multiplying the preceding number by a fixed number except for the first term, such arrangement is called geometric progression GP. Example 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 8 divided by 4, 2. 16 divided by 8, 2. 32 divided by 16, 2. So here common ratio R formula is A2 by A1, A3 by A2 is equal to A4 by A3 up to an by an minus 1. So general form of a geometric progression is AR2, AR3 means general term is AR n minus 1. So first term A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to AR1, A3 is equal to AR2, A4 is equal to AR3 and AN is equal to AR n minus 1. Okay. Let us see the problems. Find x so that x plus 2, x plus 6 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. This is important question. So given x plus 2, x plus 6 are in GP. So what is the common ratio? R is equal to T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. This is T1, T2, T3. T2 by T1 means x plus 2 by x is equal to x plus 6 by x plus 2. Cross multiply x plus 2 into x plus 2, x plus 2 whole square is equal to x into x plus 6. So this is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2a into 2 plus 2 square is equal to x into x, x square, x into 6, 6x. So x square as it is plus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 square 4. Bring this here, plus become minus x, plus x square become minus x square, plus 6 become minus 6x. So plus x square minus x square cancel. 4x minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Send plus 4 there, it become minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. X is equal to 2. Okay. Next question. Find the 20th and nth term of the GP. 20th term T20 and Tn of a GP series first 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 up to this one. So given series first term 5 by 2, so A is equal to 5 by 2, R is equal to T2 by T1, 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. This 5 by 4 as it is, this 5 by 4, 5 by 2 when come it numerator it become 2 by 5. 5 5 cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 1 by 2. So R is equal to 1 by 2. R 1 by 2 and A is equal to 5 by 2. First question T20. Okay. So formula AR 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 19. What is A? 5 by 2. What is R? 1 by 2 power 19. 5 as it is. See by 2 power 1. So 1 power of 19 1. 2 power of 19. 2 power of 19, 2 power of 1, 2 power of 20. Bases are same. Power should be added. Next Tn. What is the Tn formula? AR n minus 1. What is A? 5 by 2. What is R? 1 by 2 n minus 1. So 5 by 2, 1 power of n minus 1, 1, 2 power of n minus 1. Bases are same, power should be added. 2, 1, Basis or same power should be 2 into 2, 1 plus n minus 1. Minus 1, this minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 5 ones are 5 by 2 power of n. Okay. Now next question. This is important. Star. Which term of GP 2 root 2 4 up to is 128? So we have to find the value of n. So given GP 2 root 2 4 up to 128. First term is 2, means a is equal to 2. Our formula T2 by T1. 2 root 2 by 2. This 2 cancel, root 2. Means R is equal to root 2. R is equal to root 2. A is equal to 2. Next, let this 128 be the nth term of GP. So an is equal to 128. What is the nth term of GP? AR n minus 1. What is A? 2. What is R? Root 2 n minus 1. Okay. So simplify this. This 2, send it here. 128 by 2. Root means 1 by 2. Root means 1 by 2. N minus 1 is equal to 128 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 64s are. 2, 1 by 2 into n minus 1 by 2. Since it is 2, we can write as 64 as 2 power of 6. So implies this 2 cancel, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Cross multiply 2 into 6, 12. Send minus 1 there, it becomes plus 1. 12 plus 1, 13. So n is equal to 13. Therefore 128 is the 13th term of the GP. Okay. Next question. In a GP, geometric progression, the third term is 24. This one. T3 is equal to 24. And sixth term is 192. T6 is equal to 192. Find the 10th term. Now given third term 24. Third term means A3. So third term formula AR2 is equal to 64. A is equal to 24. Mark it as first equation. Next given sixth term is 192. Sixth term is equal to 192 means AR5 is equal to 192. Second equation. Divide second equation by first equation. AR5 by AR2 is equal to 192 by 24. AA cancel. AM by AN. A power of M minus N. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 24 ones are 24 eights are. So 5 minus 2, 3. Since 3 is there, 8 can be written as 2 power of 3. Implies 3 cancel. R is equal to 2. So R, substitute R in first equation. What is first? AR square is equal to 24. A as it is. R means 2. 2 square 4. Okay. Send 4 to here. 24 by 5. 4 ones are 4. 6 are. A is equal to 6. Now we got A is equal to 6. R is equal to 2. So what is the question? Find 10th term. So T10 is equal to AR 9. A means 6. R means 2 power of 9. So 2 power of 9 into 6, 3072. Okay. 10th term 3072. Next question. Find the 10th and nth term of GP series. Geometric progression 5, 10, 125 up to series. Now given GP geometric progression 5, 10, 5, 25, 125. So first term is 5 means A is equal to 5. R formula T2 by T1. 25 by 5, 5 ones are 5 5s are. R is equal to 5. A is equal to 5, R is equal to 5. Next, 10th term, AR 9. A means 5, R means 5, power 9. Bases are same, power should be added. 5 power of 9 plus 1, 10. Next, TN formula AR n minus 1. A means 5, R means 5, n minus 1. Bases are same, power should be added. 5, 1 plus n minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 5 power of n. Okay. Now next question. Which term of GP 2832 is 512? Okay, given series, first number is 2, means A is equal to 2. R formula T2 by T1, 8 by 2, 4. So R is equal to 4. 512, let 512 be the nth term, means AN equal to 512. What is Tn formula? AR n minus 1 is equal to 512. A means 2, R means 4, given. Now we solve. N minus 1. 2 as it is. 2, 4 can be written as 2 square n minus 1. 2 into n. 2n. 2 ones are 2. Okay. And this 512, if we divide by 2, we will get 2 power of 9. So bases are same. Power should be added. 2 power 1 plus 2n minus 1 is equal to 2 power of 9. 2 as it is. 2n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 power of 9. Implies these two cancel. 2 power of 2n minus 1 is equal to 9. Send minus 9 there, it becomes plus 1. Minus 1 send there, it becomes plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. So n is equal to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. N is equal to 5. Okay. Next, which term of GP, geometric progression, root 3 root 3 up to is 729. So given geometric progression root 3 root 3 is 729. So first number is root 3. A is equal to root 3. R formula T2 by T1. 3 by root 3. This 3 I can write as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 1 root 3 cancel. Root 3 remain. R is equal to root 3. A is equal to root 3. R is equal to root 3. 729. So let 729 be the nth term. Means AN is equal to 729. What is general formula? AR n minus 1. What is A value? Root 3. What is R value? Root 3. N minus 1 is equal to 729. 3 as it is, root means 1 by 2. 3 as it is, root means 1 by 2 and minus 1. 729. If I take LCM with 3, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 power of 6. 729 means 3 power of 6. Now 3 power of 1 by 2 as it is. 3, 1 by 2 into n minus 1, n minus 1 by 2. We have formula a power of m into a power of n, a power of m plus n. Bases are same, power should be added. So 3, 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 power of 6. So here 3 as it is, 2 and 2 LCM is 2. 1 plus n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 power of 6. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 3 power of n by 2 is equal to 3 power of 6. Implies 3 cancel. N by 2 is equal to 6. Cross multiply. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Next question. Find the 12th term of GP. Means T12. We have to find whose 8th term is 192. 8th term is 192 means T8 is equal to 192 and common ratio is 2. Common ratio means R. R is 2. So given common ratio R is 2, 8th term is equal to 192. 8th term means AR7 is equal to 192. A as it is. R means 2. 2, 7 as it is 192. 2 power of 7 means 2 into 2 into 7 times 128. So A is equal to 192 by 128. When you cancel 64 2s are 64 3s are. So A is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now 12th term. A12th term is equal to AR11. What is A? 3 by 2. What is R? 2. So here 2 power of 11 by 2 power of 1. 11 minus 1, 10. So 3 as it is 2 power of 10. 2 power of 10 means 1024. 1024 into 3, 3072. 12th term is 3072. Next question. The fourth term of a geometric progression is 2 by 3. Means T4 is equal to 2 by 3. And seventh term is 16 by 81. T7 is equal to 16 by 81. Find the geometric series. So given what fourth term is 2 by 3. Fourth term 2 by 3 means A4 equal to 2 by 3. A4 means AR power of 3 is equal to 2 by 3. First equation. What is given second? Seventh term is 16 by 81. Seventh term means A7. What is A7 in GP? AR power 6 is equal to 16 by 81. Second equation. So divide second equation by first equation. AR power of 6 by AR power of 3 is equal to 16 by 81 and 2 by 3. A cancel. Base A power of n by A power of n. A power of 6 minus 3. R power of 6 minus 3 is equal to 16 by 81 as it is into when 2 by 3 come up it becomes 3 by 2. 2 ones are. Now cancel. Simplification. 2 ones are. 2 eights are. 3 ones are. 3 27s are. Here R is equal to 6 minus 3. 3 is equal to 8 by 27. So this 8, since 3 is there, 8 I can write as 2 power of 3. And 27 I can write 3 power of 3. Okay. So R power of 3 means 2 by 3 power of 3. Implies 3 cancel. R is equal to 2 by 3. We got R value. Now substitute R in first equation. A R power of 3 is equal to 2 by 3. A as it is. R means 2 by 3 power of 3 is equal to 2 by 3. A 2 by 3. So this 2 by 3 when you send there it becomes 3 by 2 power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 into 2 into 2. This 2 cancel. This 3 cancel. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. So A is equal to 9 by 4. So thereby we have A value and R value. Now GP series is AR power of 1, AR power of 2, AR power of 3. Means 9 by 4, 2 by 3 power of 1, comma 9 by 4, 2 by 3 power of 2. So first term 9 by 4. This cancel. 3 ones are, 3 3s are. 2 ones are, 2 2s are. Okay. So 3 ones are 3 by 2. Comma 9 as it is, 4 as it is. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 9 cancel 1. 4 cancel 1. So 9 by 4. The geometric series 9 by 4 comma 2 by 3 comma 1. Okay. Last question. If the geometric progression 162, 54, 18 up to series and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 have their nth term equal. Means Tn, we have to find Tn of this series and this series and mark it and make it equal, then find the n. Now, given first series 162, 54, 18 up to series. So first term 62, 162, A is equal to 162. Our formula T2 by T1, 54 by 162. 54 1s are 54 3s are 1 by 3. So R means 1 by 3. Okay. So An, nth term formula AR n minus 1. Nth term is equal to A. A means 162. R means 1 by 3 power of n minus 1. So first nth term is 162 1 by 3 power of n minus 1. Now we will find the nth term of second series. Second GP series is 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9. This first number, this is A. Okay. So this A is equal to 81 is first term. R is equal to T2 by T1 means 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. This 2 by 27 as it is into 2 by 81 will become 81 by 2. 2 cancel. 27 1s are 27 3s are. So R is equal to 3. R is equal to 3 and A is equal to 2 by 81. Nth term formula AR n minus 1. What is A? 2 by 81. What is R? 3 power of n minus 1. Since given nth terms are equal, so first nth term is equal to second nth term series. Okay. Now 162 as it is. See, constant one side and n one side. So 162, 2 by 81, when it come here, it become 81 by 2 is equal to this 1 by 3 power of n minus 1. When you send there, so it will go divide and will come up. So 1 by 3, when you send there, it become 3 power of n minus 1 into, this is 3 power of n minus 1. This 1 by 3, when you send divide, it become 3 by 1 power of n minus 1. So this one, 2 1s are 2, 81s are. 81 into 81 is equal to 3 power of n minus 1 into 3 by 1, 3 n power of n minus 1. So 81 into 81 means 81 whole square is equal to, bases are same, power should be added, 3 power of n minus 1 plus n minus 1. So 81, since 3 is there, 81 I can write as 3 power of 4 power 2 is equal to 3 n plus n 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So 2 4s are, okay, 2 4s are 8 is equal to 3 power of n minus 2 implies 3 cancel. 8 is equal to 2n minus 2. Send minus 2 there, it become plus 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 2n. 8 plus 2 means 10. Divide by 2, n is equal to 10 by 2. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So n is equal to 5. So this conclude geometric progression. Okay, that's all.